it's Melia, and today I'm doing a slime DIY video. All you are going to need is slime, sequins, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, so let's get to the video. So I have my little slime in this container. So this is what it is, and this is my slime. So I'm gonna get it out. So there we go. It has a lot of glitter already, so I'm not sure if how much I'm gonna add, because you guys can see that there's a lot of glitter and stuff. So yeah. So here's that. So I'm gonna try to just do it in this, so then it doesn't get too much or too less, and then we will you don't need that much, you just need a little bit. I'm going to put some more back in here. So here's how much you need. I'm going to take the small piece first. All you need to do is just dip it right in there, and that's what's going to happen. Not a big piece. Go straight in. Too good. Much. Then don't. And yeah.
What are you doing?
Making a video. And
On my tablet.
yeah. And this is what you will use. And I've already added it and stuff. So what are you doing?
Making hungry.
Okay.
I am going to make you guys a list of what to do tomorrow.
Okay.
And it will be done by the time Mom gets home from work.
Make a video. Make a video. And this is what it looks like. And it is, what time is it?
Time for bed.
Time for bed, I guess. That's what my mom tells me. But I don't want to go to bed because I don't have school tomorrow. It's obviously time for bed for her, she says. But I don't know why. That's what she wants. Yeah. So that's how much you need to put in. Let's put it in. And then you want... Mommy, I added it to this little piece, but I haven't added it to the big piece yet. So this is what it would look like at the end. There's stars and hearts and everything in it. So yeah. And then this can be your bottom layer as it was missing. But it open upside down. So I just this is it there. And so this is what you put in. My slime, I put it in. So okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of soup. I'm gonna split these up into things like this one. That one in there. And then this one's gonna get some. I don't like to. And if you guys know how to like skip and stuff that I want to do, because something's gonna take like hours to do, and I don't know if you guys wait for like 3 hours. I can't go. So here's my next one. If you guys want to watch these videos, then you can. I don't know if I clicked upload on them yet, so yeah. So here's what it is. So now I have 2 that are done now. And now you can right in the middle. These pretty much are the same. Need 1 more with this one, and then that's a lot of hair in it. These are not gonna add probably. I want to make this one smoothie, but that girl won't let me get there because I don't have enough times or parties or whatever. So we're gonna start adding the stuff to it. So there we go. I got the sequence. I call them sequences. They're not really sequences. Where's that one? I'm going to change the colors of it. And after each wave, and that one, and that one more, and then this one in. And that, this.
You have a pen.
So this is what it should look like.
It's gonna be there.
That's the end.
Hey, it's my ball.
Mommy, do we have any balloons or something?
I don't know, you have to look.
How come this is all wet?
I don't know. Was she outside? No. Then I have no idea.
Found something. So this is what I'm using, a glove. And I'm going to put this slime inside because obviously that's what I do. Put slime inside of stuff. And then and you want to cut this down to at least about, and then let's see, what is it like? Well, so I already cut it open, and we already know what's inside. Fine. And we're gonna finish trapping test. I don't think this one's gonna cut it! Oh my god, it popped. This is a dumb idea. Never tried this at home. That sounds so sticky. I'm gonna try to get this slime out. So, you guys, I don't know how to skip this. I will skip it at the end. Okay, so just out. Me saying I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna end up. I'm gonna put this away. And way more than that. And it's all stuck in here. Mommy, I did a dumb idea. I don't care. I don't really want this much slime anyway. I want enough to fill this up. Because I said she's going to give me slime anytime. She can. She wants to. Mommy, look at it. It's all stuck in here now.
Ready to take yours off? Yeah, that was a half an hour ago. I have. Sealed up if you're not here in 10 minutes.
here's all the fun and kicking. I'm gonna make maybe sometime when I get famous. And there we go. What did he say? The guy say? I did a dumb idea.
What'd you do?
I put it in this, and now it's all stuck in here.
Yeah, you did a dumb idea.
Now I need more slime. I think that's all. And this is all of it. I would cut through everything and see if that's not it. Oh, be a piece that doesn't have it. Okay, not here 20 minutes. Bye bye. Bye bye 115. Now I have to get like either more stuff in it. No, we have to find out like a recipe to make slime. Like now. I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
Well, put your pajamas on.
I will listen. No glue slime. But I'm searching no glue slime, and it popped up. Ooh, let me see this one. Salt, okay. We have salt. So, I'm watching a video and you need salt. And now you need to put some of that in. Is it, I don't know what it is. Shampoo. Random shampoo. And then stir.
that you guys sent me on Instagram. I'm super excited to see everything work out, and make sure to stick around till the end of this video because
Ooh, I want this one because I have it.
it was not working at first. So like I added in a lot more because it was not working at all. So then I'm like, that's more. Look at this guy.
Mom, do we salt and what is it, shampoo?
I don't think we have enough salt for you.
I want to show you something. Let's see. Okay, salt. Yeah, there's enough salt.
No.
I'm just going to show you that and turn it on. Shampoo.
No.
No, I'm going to show you.
You're not doing it.
Just gonna.
No.
Okay. I'll be back. As soon as the back of this and I'm going to take right off. And they stirred it. And then okay. I'm pretty sure it's off. It's actually coming fun off. It worked. Do I think I need more salt? That added way too much. Use the salt to activate it. Yeah, the salt to get more liquidy. I saw Kazaya's video, and she puts it in the freezer, so I'm stirring it, and then I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Said to do for about 5 minutes. I'm going to see if it says. Pause. Yeah, but it says put a little bit of dishwasher with it. Been 5 minutes. Okay. Well, here, I'll just put some up. Timer for 5 minutes. And then could do, when it's done, add a little bit of that. Not too much, just a little. Hey, and I'm still doing this. And I'm still talking to my YouTube. This is Thrifty. And I made that one that I just put in the freezer for 5 minutes. I'm not going to take it out for 4 minutes and 12 seconds, but I'm making it go. And that was a noise, you guys. You don't have to worry. I don't have to worry about that myself. I don't know why, but salt makes the slime better. Salt and a little white brush just makes it better. Makes it smell better. I don't know why. We have 3 minutes left on the timer. You guys, and you guys will hear a little beep when it goes off. I will too. I will see the beep. And I will hear what it is. It's actually 3:20 minutes until it's done. Now it's at 3:08, but this one is the best one I think I might have made. I'm not sure which one to make this one or my worst. I think this one that I put in the freezer from that, I think that's really my worst. And then we'll just restart over. Okay, so that one. We have 2:20, and I'm going to go shut it down. Pause. Let's just do it when it's at 2 minutes. And add a little bit of this. And do not. And restart. So I just put the stuff in that it tells us to. So 1 minute and 53 seconds left, and now make it ready because this is almost over. So we have 1:30 minutes, 1 minute and 30 seconds left, and it's more funny, so they said it is long, might be one, but today is a hot day, so I don't know if there was people, but they all tested me today. So if I get it, I still go in the same place. You. We have 1 minute left now. The timer is actually 50 seconds. But I'm going to, when I'm done, I will be checking that every hour now. Minute, because it's been an hour almost. I figured out how to pause this. That you guys figured out how to pause it. It seems like I have paused it, but I have.
talked about after you left. It's like I told Hank and Morgan, it's like I've known them forever.
7 seconds, and then everything in. Looks like it didn't work, you guys. It's a fail, but I'm still going to do something. I'm going to eat it. I promised you guys I would eat. This is 4. Now I'm going to wash everything off and get it started. So there we go. To use the other sauce, I don't have any of that sauce. So then use this. Okay. Ready? But I don't want it because I don't want to waste. There we go. And just a start.
I don't remember a bit.
So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below what you want me to do next. And, excuse me, that hurts down below, because that's really hot. And I'm not going to say I'll see it. I'm going to try to make this 15 minutes, 40 minutes. Because I have to beat my words. Well, 15 minutes. I don't know how long the world record was. I'm not breaking this for you guys. But if you guys want 40 minutes, then make sure to subscribe. And we won't see ya. Because we won't see you means we will see you guys later. There we go. So, I'm getting ready to hit the button because I want to make it exactly 40, and that's a 9